Hi, fourth grade. Welcome back to Math, Mr. G. Today I'm going to go over some work for Zern Mission 4, Lesson 11. We're going to continue our work with supplementary angles, but in this case we're going to be working with 360 degrees instead of the 180 we worked with yesterday. There's not much of a difference in the work other than that we have just a few extra steps. So I'm going to zoom out just a little bit so we have more room to work with. So I have created three angles that essentially form a circle as you go around them, a full radius, which we know is equivalent to 360 degrees. I have given us the measurement for two of these angles so that we can find the third one. Angle A is 160 degrees and angle B is 90 degrees. So just like we did before, it's going to involve some subtraction to find the difference, the piece we're missing here. But instead of subtracting both of these numbers, I'm just going to add these two numbers together and just subtract this once. It's much easier for me. But if you like subtracting twice from the number, that's fine. This is a perfectly acceptable way. But me personally, I like adding and subtracting once. So I'm going to add, let's do that in blue. So I'm going to add 160 plus 90. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 9, I know is 15. Carry my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so the sum of these two angles is 250 degrees. And that leaves me with angle C. Well, I know that all three angles added up is 360 degrees. So now I only need to find the difference between these two and this one here. So I'm going to subtract those. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. 3 minus 2 is also 1. So 110 degrees. So angle C is equal to 110 degrees. Angle C is equal to 110 degrees. It's pretty simple. This is how you work with 360 degrees. A common mistake that we have with this is people will think this is less than 360 degrees or some other number. But if it goes around all the way in a circle, even if there was 5 angles in here, their sum, all the pieces added up, is always going to be 360 degrees. You can't have more than 360 degrees going around a full circle. I look forward to seeing your work, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.